Hello everybody and welcome to my 14th Visual Basic 2010 tutorial. And this tutorial is going to show you how to use an if-else statement. So it's just a slight advancement on an if statement. It just gives you a little bit more, a little bit of an extra control. So I'm just going to create another quick program that asks the user a question. So it's going to ask for my age. So let's put my age as a long, and dim guess as a long. So I get one variable to store my age and one variable to store what my guess is. So just to set my age, so my age is, and if you want the game to be really fun, then ignore this bit. So my age is 24, and guess equals please guess my age. And then we're going to have to test what they've put as their answer. First of all, we're going to have to make it so it actually asks them. So make sure that's an input box. Otherwise, it's just trying to put a string into an integer, and it's going to go crazy. So if, and we want my age, and let's go for doesn't equal guess. Then, so this means they've got it wrong. If my age doesn't equal guess, then do this. So sorry, you got it wrong. And then rather than our end if, this is where the else is going to come in. So we're going to put else here. What this does is it gives us another bit of code that isn't going to run if this runs, but if this doesn't run, it's going to skip this else one. It's going to run the else. So we're going to put a different message box in here. So this is going to happen when the opposite of this happens. So congrats, you guessed it. And then that's when we put our end if. So it's essentially given us two blocks. So it's given us a two-way path. So it's going to test if this statement is true. If it's true, it's going to run the first bit, else it's going to run the second bit. And then it's just going to carry on with our code underneath. So if we put another one down here, say message box, so this code will run whatever. So we've just got a free message box now. This one's always going to run. That one's going to run if they get it wrong. That one's going to run if they get it right. So let's play this now. So play. So you guess my age. I'm going to guess 24 for some reason. Congrats, you guessed it. So I got that one right. And then this code will run whatever. So again, let's just show you that so I can show you me getting it wrong. So guess my age, 13. Sorry, you got it wrong. And then this code will run whatever. Okay, cool. So just to recap, we're testing whether or not their guess doesn't equal my age. If this statement that you put in here true, whatever Boolean statement you put in there, it's going to run this section, else it's going to run this section. And then it's just going to go to the end if, and then carry on with the rest of our code. So that's it for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use nested if statements. So thanks for listening, and I hope to catch you soon.